How to connect a simple voice chat to Minecraft. Currently, Minecraft doesn't have native voice chat without using mods. However, there are a few alternatives to set up voice communication in the game without relying on mods directly in Minecraft. Step 1. Using Discord or other voice apps. One of the most simplest ways to have voice communication without mods is by using Discord, or other voice chat apps like TeamSpeak or Mumble. Step 1. Create a Discord server or voice channel. Select Create My Own and follow the prompts to set up. Once your server is ready, create a voice channel where players can join and talk. Step 2. Share the invite link to your voice channel with other players so they can join and communicate with you while playing. Step 3. Adjust player volume. You can adjust the volume of each player individually, allowing for better control over who you hear and how loud they are. Step 4. Create different channels. If you're playing with multiple groups, you can create additional channels for different teams or groups of players. The second option is in-game voice settings. Chat communication. For basic communication like text chat, you can use Minecraft's native settings. While this doesn't replace voice chat, it's a simple solution to communicate with others without any external tools. Step 1. Use the in-game text chat. You can type messages and communicate using Minecraft's chat feature. Press T to open the chat box and type the message to your friends. Conclusion. While Minecraft doesn't offer voice chat natively without mods, using Discord or other third-party voice apps is an excellent alternative. You can easily communicate with your friends while playing Minecraft, just by joining a voice channel on Discord and playing the game. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks.